Is social media marketing profitable or not? So in this video I'm gonna explain this, like whether it is a profitable or not. Hey guys, I'm Virender Chaudhary. I'm a digital marketer, social media expert and sales trainer. If you have a business and you have a plan to start social media marketing, then you have to do. Social media marketing is very profitable, guys. So yes, so you leave about this question first. I am gonna explain you like what is social media marketing. Social media marketing is nothing but promoting your company products or services using social media is called social media marketing. What is social media? Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Snapchat. These are all called social media channels. I'll tell you like why we need to promote our company in social media. Let's say you are promoting any product and you are targeting offline, okay, in a traditional way like newspaper ads, TV ads, etc, etc. But you know, right, majority of the youth are using internet. So we have almost 600 plus internet users, out of which we have 300 plus social media users. 300 plus in the sense 300 million social media users. So when we have 300 million potential users, is it a good sign to start a social media marketing? Yes, it is a good sign, because when you advertise in social media, you will get definitely profits on it. So without getting any delay, without thinking anything, go and start your social media marketing for your business. You will end up getting more profits. Yes. So because it's very simple, guys. Majority of the youth and other people are in social media. When you targeted your ads to that people, so obviously they might end up buying your product or service, right? Because you are showing ad to them. So this is very profitable, and you can take 10% conversion rate. Like if you got any 100 leads from social media, you can take it as 10% conversion rate. And see, not all 100 will convert, not even 50-50, at least 10% will convert, right? So think about your product pricing. Let's say if you have a product worth cost 50,000, okay, and you are advertising with the amount of 50,000, and let's say you got 50 leads and cost per lead is 1000, because you have invested 1000 rupees and you got 50 leads, right? And your product cost is 50,000. Okay, this is an example, guys. Let's say 50 out of 10% conversion is 5. Okay, 5 into 50,000, you got 2,50,000, on which you have invested 50,000. So this is very simple calculation. So calculate on your product cost and your advertisement cost and your returns. This is very, very important, and social media is definitely a profitable one. So don't think more on this. It is a profitable one, and go start your business in social media and earn more money. I mean more profits. So this is all for now, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon in my next video. Thank you.